Okay, so it's recording now. Whenever you're ready.
Long ago, in the land of Canada, there lived 4 lumberjacks who cut down mammoth trees for a living. But one night, there was way too much snow for any of them to do any work. And it was also New Year's. So they were longing to see their womenfolk, who they haven't seen in a very long time.
Oh, it's New Year's. Aren't you guys just dying to see your wives?
Yeah, I haven't seen mine at all forever.
I long to see her.
But there's so much snow on the ground. We can't go anywhere. We might as well just eat this molasses and drink this apple juice.
But little do they know, Baptiste had made a pact with me, aka the devil, for a magical flying canoe. But in order to make the canoe fly, he could not fly over any churches, talk of God, or touch any crosses for the next year. Otherwise, I would take his soul.
Wait, did you guys know my canoe can fly?
Nonsense, your canoe cannot fly. I think it does.
Let's try.
So, they got up and went to Baptiste's canoe, and then said the magic words.
Ready? Acabris, acabras, acabram.
And sure enough, it worked. They took to the skies, hoping to see their loved ones again. When they got there, they gave them a hug and a kiss on the cheek.
I'm so glad to see you, my sweet pies.
I am overjoyed to see you, my muffin.
As am I, my dear. I'm sad, dude.
And then they partied for hours with their loved ones. And afterwards, Baptiste drank too much soda, and he fell asleep. And eventually the guys remembered that they had to be back before dawn, or I would take their souls. So they found Baptiste sleeping under a table. They put him in the canoe, tied him up, and put a gag in his mouth. And then they said the magic words.
Acabris, acabras, acabram.
And sure enough, they took off to the skies once again. But after a while, Baptiste regained consciousness and spit out the gag and got out of the ropes.
Oh, Mom, dude, my God, what have you done to me?
And at that moment, he realized that he said the name of God and that I would have to take his soul. The canoe plummeted. They were never seen again. Ha! Losers! You're all dead! Woo! Years later.
Will they ever come back?
No.
They all died. She just died!
Who are you?
I don't know. I'm hungry. Me too!
Ha! Now they're all dead! Oh, that means I'm the only living cast member and that I'm lonely.
Woo!